What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE man, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about these Yeezy 350v2 Yeezy Reels that will be dropping the same day as the Bread 11s, man. If you have not checked out the how to cop over these Bread 11s, make sure you go check it out. It'll be very beneficial to you guys, and especially if you're not used to copping, you know what I'm saying, big major releases like the Bread 11. So go check it out. It will help you out a lot. And today with this video, I'm going to show you guys like some of the resale value, the resale prediction on this shoe, where to cop, how to cop, and stuff like that. You already know how we do with the Yeezy season videos. And right now while you're watching, please hit the like button. That really helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube that you guys are actually enjoying the content and that you want to see more of the content, man. So right now, like the video, that really helped the channel a lot. I plan on going live tonight, so make sure your notification bells are on. I got a lot of different topics that I want to touch up on with the live stream, so make sure you guys are there. Make sure you guys have the notification bells on so you know when I go live. It should be around like 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And right now, follow me over on IG at Adventures World. The link will be in the description box below, as always, man. So all that being said, let's jump right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the shoe that these Yeezy Reels resemble a lot of is these semi-frozen yellow joints and the glows. Like, they put those two shoes together and they made the Yeezy Reels, man. Very dope colors, very vibrant colors, very different. And it's one of those shoes that if you're walking down the street, walking to class or wherever you're going, people are gonna stop and look at your shoes and they be like, damn, things are dope, and they're super loud, you know what I mean? So it's something I can definitely see a lot of Yeezy heads, a lot of sneaker heads even going to grab. But if it was up to me, if you had to choose between these and the Breads, just imagine these are the Yeezy Reels. If you had to pick between Yeezy Reels and the Breads, I would definitely go with the Breads, man. These are more iconic, I feel like. All right, guys, so now that it's over with, I want to check out some resale value over these shoes right now on StockX and GOAT. You know, I always do this with the Yeezy season videos. Any Yeezys that's coming up, any Yeezys that's coming out, I want to see how much they're going for now, and I want to kind of predict on how they're going to go after the release a month or two down the line. All right, so right now the money size is usually 8.5 and 9, and on StockX right now they're going for 820 bucks, and the size 9 is going for $300. So that's pretty much telling me right now that the shoe is going to be widely available for everybody. It's not going to be super hard to cop, and everybody know that it's going to be a reflective pair of these Yeezy Reels, and that's the pair that always going for like over $500, $600. But every time it's been a reflective and a non-reflective drop, I always tell you guys, if you don't want to go out there spending crazy amount of money, if you take an L, just go and get the non-reflective pair. You usually get the reflective hits throughout the laces. So that should be enough reflectiveness for you guys on the laces. And so now that I see that they're going for like $300, $320, I can see that shoe either going down below 300s, like 280, 290, or even dropping straight to retail like they did with the Zebras, the Creams. When they kept releasing those, it dropped the resale value to damn near below retail. But of course, next year I do see these things going back up to like $400, $350 around that price range. So if you want to go out, if you're a reseller, go get them. Hold on to them for a little while. Like next summer, when that color is going to be popping in the summertime, you can make you a good $150, $200 off of reselling them. So please keep that in mind. All right, guys, so now I want to tell you guys where to cop and how to cop and stuff like that. I did not know that Foot Locker was getting this shoe. That's kind of why I wanted to bring this video up. Everybody's putting these, I feel like, on the back burner because the Breads are releasing. That just shows you like the Breads are that shoe, you know what I mean? That's the shoe of the year to me. I feel like that's the shoe of the year for a lot of people around the community, man. So you probably won't see a lot of these how to cops, and you probably won't see a lot of people talking about these Yeezy Reels, but I wanted to bring this video to you guys because I kind of put this shoe on the back burner. I went to go reserve my Bread 11s for Foot Locker. I seen that Adidas was on there and I was just like, like I was just gonna pass on them, but I'm like, let me show my subscribers how to cop, where to cop, give them some details, give them some tips over these sneakers. So Foot Locker is the first place to go to. Foot Locker app. I even checked on Champ Sports. Some Champ Sports locations is getting them, and Foot Action as well will be getting some pairs of these Yeezy Reel 350v2s. And usually when all of those stores get them, that means that the resale value will not be that high on the shoe. So that should be good for everybody that doesn't like paying crazy amounts of resale and that doesn't mind copping a GR. So right now, go to your Foot Locker apps, put in your size, put in your location, and if you're not close to one of those locations, just put something maybe in the next state over or a couple hours down the road for you to drive and go pick them up. Just find a zip code, put it in there, and then go on check-in codes on Twitter and put in whatever zip code they give you. Put it in your phone, change it up real quick, and then put in the 4-digit pin that's attached to that tweet. But you gotta be fast with it, like I said in yesterday's video. You can't wait an hour or two down the line. You gotta be very fast with it. Make sure your notification bells are on. Twitter for check-in codes, and it'll really help you out a lot. I'm telling you guys, it helped me cop a lot of sneakers with getting that extra 1 minute head start. So yeah, check-in codes on Twitter. Just go follow him. It will definitely help you out in the future. And especially if you want to cop these YEEZREEL 350 V2s. All right, and pretty much the last tip that I always give you guys, like I said yesterday, I'm kind of on the fence between these two spots, and it is StockX and GOAT. I never said I did not trust StockX. I never said I did not trust GOAT. It's just a lot of red flags, a lot of questions going around with this whole legit checking service, this whole middleman service. And I read a very important comment on yesterday's video, man. Shouts out to you. You already know who you are. Hopefully you tune into this one. But he said in the comments that the people that work for these middleman services, the people that's legit checking these sneakers, are just judgment callers. Just let that sink in and tell me how you feel about that. But yeah, that is it for the video. Right now in the comment section below, let me know if you will be going after these Yeezy 350 V2 YEEZREELs. Very dope shoe. If you don't have the frozen yellows, if you don't have the glows, this is something I can definitely see you going after. Not a crazy colorway, I guess you could say, as far as me jumping out the window trying to cop. And like I said, if I had to choose between the breads and the YEEZREELs, I'm definitely picking the breads up 2 times more than the YEEZREELs, if that kind of gives you my opinion on this shoe. Like I said, guys, I will be going live tonight. I don't know if it's on this channel or on my second channel. I will have my second channel link below, but I definitely will be going live tonight, talking about a couple different topics. So you guys are definitely want to have those notification bells on so you are notified when your boy goes live tonight. Make sure you follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World. Like the video right now. The likes really help the channel grow. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.